Hey everybody, it's Caden here and welcome to a video. Today we'll be reviewing some more Lego. So yeah, there's not gonna be any figures. Wait, you can't see them. There's not gonna be any figures. Here we got the original Caillou, Finn, and Santa and Mario right there. Kind of see him. Anakin's got his at home, and there's a Mixel and other stuff. But what we're looking for is the Lego set. So I'll do the two that I have right now. I have much more right here. So yeah, I'm gonna show you those. I'm gonna show you these first. So first up, we have this Lego set. You can probably already tell what it is. It is for those who don't know what this is. This is a K'NEX Mario set. So it's not Lego, but it's like Lego. So here I have some Lego Minecraft figures. Mario. So here's one of them. I have Golden Tanuki Mario. And if you have these Lego guys, you can actually snap them on there. There we go. And I also have some more, like the Bone Koopa Troopa. It's actually got a shell on the back. Here we have Princess Peach. Can't see her yet, but what she can actually do, she can actually go to the top. And I'll show you right now. Here's Princess Peach. Here we have a Koopa Troopa shell, like this guy, but this one's normal. This is like the Mario Kart one that you throw and it messes up people. Here we have Shy Guy. Its arms can move. And that's it. This Shy Guy. And here is the moment you have all been waiting for. Bowser. It's got his giant shell on the back. It's got his tail. It's got his whole head. He's got everything. There we go. And we also have Luigi. Just normal Luigi. I have a whole box of Mario characters, but I'm not going to show you that in this video. Here on this side we have a coin, and we also have like a spinny thing right here. Don't know what that is, but anyways, I wanted to show you the other set. This guy here, this is the police station. It actually does come with a vehicle. it comes with this police car. And you can lift up this up and down to let the police cars go in. So, I don't know what that was. Open. Close. Dang it. Anyways, here we have a police officer, a sheriff. It's a girl. She has her sheriff hat. Take it off and on. It's the same on all the sides. And she's got her badge right there. Kind of hard to see, so it's not real gold. It's not real gold though. Moving on, we have a trash can. Yay! It can actually open and close. In the set, they actually have fire coming out of it, I think. But this does not come with the set. This comes with a Lego mini set. And in that mini set, you get a hose, garbage can, and a firefighter. And moving on, we have the back. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh great. Oh great. Great. There we go. It's fixed. So here we have, I'll show you the back now. Here we have the back. It's got a prison cell. These robbers do not come in. I have a robber. You actually can't really see it. We have a robber looking out. A robber looking out the window. I'll show you it on this side. You can actually see his hands right here. Those are his hands and that's his face. So, and then we have another guy sitting down. In this room, we have a spinny chair, some coffee, a laptop. I'm going to put someone on the spinny chair right now. So just put that right there. Come here. Come here. Come here. There we go. So we also have a coffee maker. You can open it up to put more coffee in there. A walkie-talkie holder. And we also have a sticker map right here. So that's it for the Lego sets. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Bye.